Meeting one's Waterloo, a lesson in English idioms. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing English phrase that's packed with history and meaning. Meeting one's Waterloo. Whether you're an English language learner or just love exploring idiomatic expressions, this video is for you. Let's unfold the story behind this phrase and understand how it's used in modern English. The phrase, meeting one's Waterloo, originates from the Battle of Waterloo in 1815, where Napoleon Bonaparte, one of history's greatest military leaders, faced a decisive defeat against the British and their allies. This battle marked the end of Napoleon's reign and his final exile. Thus, the term metaphorically refers to experiencing a significant defeat or setback, especially after a series of successes. When someone meets their Waterloo, it means they've encountered an obstacle or challenge that they cannot overcome, signifying a turning point or downfall. It's often used to describe situations where someone faces a competitor or a challenge that ultimately leads to their defeat, highlighting a moment of unexpected failure. This idiom is versatile and can be used in various contexts, from personal struggles to professional challenges. For example, a politician who loses a crucial election might be said to have met their Waterloo. In sports, a team undefeated for an entire season but losing in the final match has met their Waterloo. It encapsulates the idea of a tough, insurmountable challenge, often with significant consequences. Let's look at some examples to see how it's used in sentences. After years of successful campaigns, the CEO met his Waterloo when the new market strategy failed completely. The chess champion met her Waterloo when she was defeated by a young prodigy in the World Championship. These examples show the phrase's flexibility and how it can be applied to various scenarios to describe a pivotal moment of defeat. Understanding phrases like, meeting one's Waterloo, enriches our comprehension of the English language and connects us to historical events that shape the way we communicate. We hope this video has shed light on this fascinating idiom and its applications in everyday English. If you've enjoyed learning about it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the English language. Until next time, keep exploring and expanding your linguistic horizons.